Welcome to Kids Club Channel.
Hey kids, do you know the different parts of your body? Let's explore and learn the names of our body parts, from head to toe. Discover your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and more. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Head, hair, eyes, nose, face, teeth, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes, chest, hips, knees, stomach, elbows.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.